host name this, and file name is destination file name. And now your configuration has been copied. So let's check. So today we have come with a new topic, that is how we can take backup. Not backup. We can load the configuration of backup file which we have kept in TFTP server. So we can load the configuration into router with the help of TFTP server. So let me show you. In the server, I have backup of the this router configuration, which I don't have in my router currently. So here you can see the host name of the router is router 1, and show interface description. No interface is up, all interface are admin down, and you can see show startup config also. Show startup config. So there is no startup configuration present, and show running config. Show running config. So there is no well configured configuration in your running config also, because all the by default configuration there is no admin configuration available. So what can we do? We can copy this uh, this configuration in my router, and my edge one. How? So let's check the topology of uh, this network. So this is the PC where I have kept the backup of configuration of this NYH1. So go and configure this. Take the backup of this configuration. So before going further, first we have to keep one interface up so that it can be communicated with the this PC. So config T, make that interface up which cable is connected to that PC. So interface that is going by this. So that is interface gig 0/0. It should be up, and it must have one IP address so that communication can be established. So config T interface gig 0/0 and IP address. IP address must be the same network. So the IP address of this PC is 192.168.16.10. So you can keep 16.11 or 5, anything. So 16.5, okay, and subnet mask of 24 and no shut. So let's ping the server IP. You are able to ping or not? So it is, you are getting ping. You are successful with the communication. So go and browse from desktop. Okay, so that it can be easily, and give the same command on router and YH1. Copy TFTP startup, host name this, and file name is destination file name. And now your configuration has been copied. So let's check. Your configuration has been copied. Your startup config is copied now, and still your router host name. So there is no running config. So make config copy startup into running config. Yes, so your configuration, you can see your host name has been changed, and show interface description. Your interfaces are up. This is the up, and you have changed your IP in your interface. Show run interface 0/0. So your IP has been 16.1 is changed, that was configured 16.5 earlier, and you have a lot more configuration in your running config as well. So you have OSPF config that you have not configured, so it is because of you have loaded the configuration from TFTP server in your router. So hope you have got the concept of taking configuration from TFTP server into the router, and hope you have enjoyed this topic. If you have any query question related to this topic, you can put your question in the comment section below, and we will try to answer it. You can suggest if I am missing anything. Thanks for watching this video.